Welcome to This Explainer. I am so excited to have you here today, mostly because we're talking about something we all use every single day, your computer. Look, your PC is an absolutely incredible machine, right? But right now, sitting right in front of you, it's packed with powerful hidden tools that you've probably never even touched. Well, today is the day we pull back the curtain. We're going to show you exactly how to tap into that hidden potential and completely transform how your machine runs.
So, let me ask you a really direct question. Is your PC running incredibly slow right now? I mean, are you dealing with those annoying lags, sluggish app launches, or just a general drop in performance that definitely wasn't there when you first unboxed it? If you're nodding your head yes, you are in the perfect place. We're about to unlock 8 amazing tricks, built literally right into your system to make your computer faster, cleaner, and honestly, just significantly easier to use.
Now, the foundation for our entire explainer today, kind of like the master key to all of this, is a simple keyboard shortcut. All you have to do is press the Windows key and the letter R together. That's it. Doing this opens up the Windows Run box. It's this tiny little window that pops up in the corner, but hey, don't let its size fool you. This little box is your gateway to total system control. Okay, let's dive right into this. We've broken this whole PC tune-up routine into 4 super clear phases. First, we're going to monitor your system and performance. Second, we'll clean out all that hidden junk. Third, we'll access essential Windows tools instantly. And finally, fourth, we'll do a deep dive to actually repair hard drive errors.
Starting off with Phase 1, Monitor System and Performance.
So, you've pressed Windows plus R, and your Run box is open, right? Our very first command is msinfo32. Just type msinfo32 directly into that box and hit Enter.
You know, what's really wild about this one is the sheer amount of information it unlocks. The window that pops up shows you absolutely every single detail about your system. No more guessing, no more digging through old paperwork. It gives you your exact RAM amount, your current BIOS version, your specific motherboard model, honestly, pretty much everything else you could ever need to know about what's physically inside your computer.
Let's move briskly right along to command number 2. Bring up that Run box again, but this time type resmon, that's resmon, and hit Enter. This instantly opens up the Windows Resource Monitor.
And this is a game changer because it brilliantly illustrates exactly what's happening under the hood in real time. It shows you the exact apps or programs that are actively eating up your speed. It breaks down your live internet usage and your current disk usage. This is so incredibly powerful because, well, instead of just guessing why your computer is lagging, you know exactly what's dragging it down. And then you can stop it right in its tracks.
Moving right along to Phase 2, Clean out hidden junk.
We have a few specific inputs here that make up our junk hunters. First, if you type %temp %, into the Run box, it opens your primary temporary files folder. To clean it out, simply press Ctrl+A. That selects absolutely everything. Then just hit Delete. It frees up space instantly. But wait, don't stop there. You can also try typing just the word temp by itself, or the word prefetch. These commands open up other hidden folders packed full of useless data that you can safely delete to clean your PC even more.
Next up is Command 4, and oh man, it's a big one. Type cleanmgr into the Run box. That's CLEANMGR. Press Enter, and this launches Disk Cleanup, which is an official built-in Windows tool. I really want to emphasize the sheer volume of space this official tool can clear for you, safely and instantly. Disk Cleanup routinely finds and removes actual gigabytes of unnecessary files. It is absolutely incredible for clearing out Windows Update leftovers that are just sitting there, gathering digital dust. It safely deletes all that old data in a matter of seconds. Literally, it's a massive space saver.
All right, let's jump into Phase 3, Access Essential Windows Tools.
We're going to rapid fire through these next few. First, type Control in the Run box, and it immediately launches the original full control panel. No searching through modernized menus. You go straight to the classic settings you actually want. Next, type OSK. Boom! The on-screen keyboard appears instantly. This is a lifesaver if your physical keyboard breaks or if some keys just randomly stop working. Finally, type appwiz.cpl. This command takes you straight to your installed programs list, which lets you quickly find and uninstall unused apps. It's perfect to free up precious space and boost your speed even more. And now, let's slow things down just a bit for our final, most technical step. Phase 4. Repair hard drive errors.
Our final tool is chkdsk space c:/ space /f. But wait, I need to warn you right now. If you type this final command into that standard run box we've been using all day, you are going to get an access denied error. Don't panic, you didn't break anything, this is completely normal. It just means we need a little bit of extra permission to check your main system drive.
So the crucial point here is that we need to bypass the run box for this one specific task so we can get administrator privileges. We have the quick fix laid out right here. First, just close that access denied window. Then, click your Windows Start button and type CMD. Second, when command prompt appears in your search results, right-click on it. Third, simply choose Run as Administrator. Just like that, you now have the proper authority to run this powerful tool.
Okay, with that administrator command prompt open, let's walk carefully through these final inputs. Step 1. Type that exact same command again, chkdsk space c:/f, and press Enter. Step 2. It's going to prompt you with a question. All you do is press Y on your keyboard and hit Enter. Now, you won't actually see anything happen right at this exact moment. The real action occurs on Step 3, the next time you restart or turn on your computer.
And let's see how this builds into some real magic for your machine. Before Windows even starts on your next reboot, this tool will automatically run a deep, full scan of your drive. It actively hunts down every single error buried in your system, and the best part? It fixes them all entirely by itself. This is exactly how you keep your hard drive healthy, fast, and completely safe from problems, all without having to put in any extra manual effort on your part.
Well, we have covered an incredible amount of ground today. We just walked through 8 powerful built-in tools hidden inside Windows that most people literally never even find. But now, you know exactly how to use every single one of them. So, my question to you to wrap this all up is, which of these 8 hidden tools will you run first to master your computer like a pro? Make sure you save these commands, maybe write them down, and keep them handy so you are always ready to clean, speed up, and fix your PC. Thank you so much for exploring this explainer with me.